Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. I'm your host Jason, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to use Landbot. Landbot is one of the best chatbot builders around. Whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer, or you have a large business, I'm sure with this platform you'll find numerous features that will come in handy and help to enhance and increase your conversion on your website or whichever social media platform you like to use it on. You can use it on WhatsApp, Messenger, and other platforms. The first thing you will need to do once on landbot.io, you are going to go over to the top right hand corner and you can tap on try Landbot for free. They do offer paid plans, but I would recommend that if you are just getting started, you could try out their free plan, and in the future if you like their service, you can step up to their paid plan. As you can see, their paid plan starts off at 40 euros per month and it goes up to 400 euros per month. Now, after you have signed up, which is completely free and easy, all you will need is your email address. You will be redirected to a dashboard just like this. And from here, you can choose the field that you're in and you can choose the purpose that you would like the chatbot for. So let's say for example's sake, I will simply select a few options right here. Then I'm going to tap on send and you can see it now redirects me to the Landbot dashboard. After you have done that, all you'll need to do now is tap right where you see I want to build a chatbot. You're going to tap on start building. And what kind of chatbot do you want to build? One for web chatbots or WhatsApp chatbots. I'm going to be creating one for web, so I'm going to tap on web. Once you have done that, you're going to give it a few seconds, and after the dashboard has been prepared, I'll show you what to do next. We're mostly going to be paying attention to the left-hand menu option over here, but just give it a few seconds to load up. One of the main reasons why I would recommend Landbot if you're a complete beginner is it offers numerous templates that makes it easy for complete beginners to get started and to create a chatbot with different sections. So for example, let me close out of this real quick so I can show you what to do next. Okay, once you're on the main dashboard, as you can see right here, you have 4 different options. So you can choose to create a bot for your website, WhatsApp, Messenger, or an API chatbot. I'm going to be selecting one for web, so I'm going to tap on web. Once you have tapped on web, you will see 3 options that you can choose from. You can choose for the AI to build a chatbot for you, or you can tap on start from scratch, or you can use one of their pre-made templates. If you select use a template, you'll still be able to edit it and add your own personal touches. But for this example, I'm going to be selecting start from scratch. So after tapping on start from scratch, you will be redirected to this page and you can see the layout right here. So this is the starting point, as you can see here. So I can tap on the plus and from there you can select first message and you'll be able to edit the first message. You can see at the moment my first message says, "Hi there, I'm Simple Answers." If you would like to change that, you can change that by typing in something else. If you would like to change the GIF and add something else, you can do that. After you have done that, you're going to tap on the plus right where you see hi there. Then you can add what else you would like to happen. So from here, you could tap on, ask a question, or you could send a message to say something or add some choices. I'm going to tap on button right there. And I can type in, how do you like our website, just for example's sake. How do you like our website? After you have done that, from there you can scroll down, and by scrolling down you can see multiple choice questions, save answers in the field. You can choose different options. So once you have done that, all you'll need to do next, you're going to simply tap on. You can tap on the plus right there, click to edit, or you can tap on the plus to add something else. and from there you could tap on send a message, or you can add something else once more, as you can see right here. And you can continue this process and create your bot. So for example, you could fill in FAQ questions, and you can fill in what type of questions will trigger what type of answers. And after you're finished creating your bot, all you'll need to do now, so let's do that real quick. Let me quickly zoom out so you can see it right there. After you're finished, you will tap on test this bot in the top right hand corner. But before doing that, if you like to edit anything in the settings, you can tap on settings right there. You can change the bot name if you want, and you could normally customize it in different ways. But to customize it, you'll normally need to be on the paid plan before you can do that. So let me go back real quick. So I'm going to tap on bill right here. Then I'm going to tap on test this bot in the top right hand corner. So you can see a layout of the bot right here. Just give it a second to refresh. Once it refreshes, you can see right there, hi, I'm Simple Answers, and you can see the GIF. And I'm going to tap on hi there. After you have tapped on hi there, you can see the question that I typed out right there. Do you like our website? And then from there, the person could type in the response, and then it will continue as a chain reaction. After you're finished creating your chatbot, you're going to tap on design. By tapping on design, you'll have access to other features. For example, you can tap on design template, and by tapping on design template, you can change the background color and so on if you want. You can also change the layout. You can do numerous stuff. After you have done that, you're going to tap on share in the top column right here. Once you have selected share, you'll be provided with 4 different options. You can either choose to add it as a live chat, a full page, embed, or a pop-up. It is completely up to you. For this example, I will be using embed. So I'm going to tap on embed. After you have selected embed, you'll tap on copy to copy the code. Once you have copied the code, you can go back onto your website. For this example, I will be using a Google Sites website. All you'll need to do now is select where on the website you would like to add the code. So for example, I would like to add the code right here. So I'm going to go over to the right hand menu option, tap on embed, then select embed code, and I'm going to paste the code right here. Then tap on next, and you can see a preview of the chatbot right there. Then I'll tap on insert and just give it a few seconds, and you can see that the chatbot has now been added to my website. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.